wari muruti wa wira Thibitari-Ini wa Mama Lucy no uri mucini munene wa Kenya Nairobi no uri wikaine kana no uri wikaine ta kana niarikitie no uri wikaine ta Fred leparan niarikitie gukundikwo kioho kia miaka 35 njera ni mahĩtia maria onekanĩte ari hamwe na gutigirira ati ni atafana kana gukirikana ati ni atafanagia jama na ngero ya gutigirira ati ni maiyeshe na Thibitari-Ini uyu itugo riri rigikinyanirio Fred akorirwo akigathikwo marina murunawe no oria kana marina murunawe no oria wikaine ta selina adundo no oria rikirie kugathikwo kioho kia miaka 2 na ningi faini ya muigana wa shilingi ngiri 300 mwandiki witu wa irimu wa Kimani no ratuhingurira na riboti iyo.
Thutha wa uthuthuria munene uria koretwo gikika kurumirira ngero cia ciana Thibitari-Ini wa Mama Lucy riu kihoto nikirikitie kuonekana thutha wa mwikuirwo munene wa ngero cia uici wa ciana wikio ngono na kugathikwo kioho kia miaka 35.
The first convict will be sentenced to serve custodial sentence of 3 years on count 1 of conspiracy to commit a felony, that is a trafficking person. In count 2, 3, and 4, the accused person will serve imprisonment of 30 years. In count 5, 6, and 7, he will serve a sentence of 2 years. The second convict, who is a first offender, will be sentenced to serve an uncustodial sentence, and the court will exercise discretion and give him a penalty of 100,000 shillings into 2 years imprisonment.
Fred leparan na uria okuruhanitio na uici wa ciana 3 kuma Thibitari-Ini uyu ohetwo hamwe na murunawe Kimilu uria mwana wake igoti riramutwirire kioho kia miaka 2 na faini ngiri 300 othe makirikana kwagara mawatho ma ugitiri wa ciana na handu ha kumagitira matafanitie ngero iria ikitie ciana ici ugwatini.
It was noted that he was not truthful in his testimony, even for the obvious issues in the documentary, in the BBC documentary, and the same was noted by the probation officer. He is not likely to be rehabilitated in the community, and therefore he deserves a deterrent sentence owing to the aggravating circumstances surrounding the offense. In regard to the second accused and or convict, the courts, the prosecution appreciates that she was recommended for non-custodial sentence. She is also remorseful litigation submissions by the judiciary bail bonds policy. And I must mention that, as stated by the prosecution, as stated by all the parties, sentencing is a discretion of the courts.
Mucirirania munene uria koretwo na ciroyo augite niganiire na kioho kia area kuna mararutagira Thibitari wa Mama Lucy wira kwa ihinda inene na riu kioho kiao kiagirire gukorwo ari mukana kurera mangigiritania na ngero ta ici cieketwo ni Fred na Esther.
In conclusion, I am satisfied that there are aggravating circumstances around the commission of the offense stated above. In sentencing, I have considered the mitigation by the defense as well. The convicts are first offenders. Although first convict apologized through his lawyer, it has been stated that he holds a diploma in medical social work, and he has worked for several years. He ought to have appreciated the gravity of the offense.
Ngiribotera Muthingi TV getwo wairimu wa Kimani.
Gatho cia mwanya mundu gwitwo ti wairimu wa Kimani ni undu wa riboti yo na tugakihoka ati ni gukorwo ari undu wa gutiga ati andu matafanagia thuguri ya gutigirira aturo makiendia ciana mathibitari-ini ngurani ni makorwo magithomanagia kuma na undu ucio riu tugithie uteti-ini ni ati na mumendekithia manyitite